Here's Sam. 9 weeks old tomorrow. Yesterday was his due date. What you doing, Sam? Besides laying on a pink blanket. I hear Kelly calling you. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. I'm just kicking around, looking around, seeing what I can see. Oh, bless you. We're 7 pounds, 7 ounces. Yes, we are. Okay, let's see what Kelly's doing over here. Oh, there she is. She's not happy. Oh, my. Kelly is 6 pounds, 5 ounces. Doesn't really want to be consoled right now. Say hi, Kelly. Say hi. Got any smiles? Just don't talk to me, I'm mad. Sam's pretty happy right now. Sam, you guys smile? You got a smile? Come on, give Mama a smile. Give me a smile. We scream like a cat. Kelly. All right. Bye-bye.